Have you ever noticed that no is the fastest word in a parent's vocabulary? I'm a clinical psychologist practicing for over a decade, and I'm here to tell you that it's completely natural. When we walk into a room and see chaos, our brain instantly triggers a protective, sometimes reactive panic. But today, I'm here to break down a brilliant commercial that beautifully captures the most powerful tool in developmental psychology, the reflective pause. There's a massive difference between reacting to your child's behavior versus reflecting on their intent. By the end of the video, we will see how changing a single knee-jerk reaction can actually unlock your child's exploration, emotional intelligence, and creativity. Let's look at the first scenario. A boy can be seen here hauling a heavy bucket of water into the balcony. The mother is on a work call. She sees, panics, and runs out screaming, "No, no, no, no." Well, this is a classic reaction. The moment the mother sees the child, she associates the balcony, a bucket of water, with mess, danger, and property damage. But look what happens when she pauses and looks over the edge. Her reaction changes into reflection. Her son is not trying to cause any trouble. He is actually trying to water a dried plant right below their house, probably for a neighbor who is not able to, displaying pro-social behavior and empathy. When we give ourselves the 5-second buffer, which is the reflective pause, we give our brain the chance to switch from reactive emotional centers to more logical and analytical centers. We stop asking, what mess are they making? And start asking, what problem are they trying to solve? Now, the second moment is an ultimate test for any parent. If you watch this video, there's a parent walking in with a heavy bundle of books and sees paint on the wall, completely freezes in shock. But then her perspective shifts, quite literally. The camera pans out and you see a little girl not ruining the wall, but meticulously stamping beautiful flowers on the exact spot where the lamp casts a shadow of the tree branch. She's not ruining it, she's completing the picture. This is a masterclass in childhood exploration and creativity. For a child, the wall is not a piece of real estate. For them, it's a massive tactile canvas. And her brain is working around spatial mapping and interacting with light. More importantly, this scene requires perspective taking from the parent. Perspective taking means moving out of your worldview, where the walls must remain neat, clean, and white, and entering into your child's worldview, where a big white wall and a shadow is an invitation to create. When the mother changes perspective, her face softens. Her anger vanishes because finally she sees what her daughter is now seeing. The final scene is incredibly subtle but deeply profound. You see a boy dragging a heavy dining chair across the floor, making loud noise, destroying the layout. The mother is frustrated, but actually he's pulling up the chair for his father, who is struggling to tie his shoelace. Perspective taking is a two-way street. When we model reflective pause for our kids, they learn to take our perspectives too. The boy saw his father struggling and creatively thought of an idea that could bridge their worlds. When the father accepts the chair and hugs the son, the commercial uses a very powerful line, "No ban jata hai O." Well, the sound O is that of a parent understanding. It's the sound of a connection being made rather than a boundary being broken. More often than not, we run to correct and say no. Let's start to run, connect, and say, oh. Reflective parenting doesn't mean that you let your child flood the balcony, ruin the furniture, or just keep painting the walls. It means that you choose curiosity over control in those first few crucial seconds. I want to leave you with a challenge for the week. Next time you see your children doing something that makes your blood pressure rise, whether it is pouring juice into a bowl to make a potion or using your clean laundry to build a chaotic fort, wait, pause, and give yourself the 5 seconds. The universal struggle of parenting, the shift of the tension between an automatic no versus a deeper and rewarding oh, happens when we pause and understand our children's actions. Watch them like a scientist. Ask yourself, what are they trying to explore now? Don't say no right away. Look at their face. Look at what they are looking at and try to understand the oh beneath the mess. Try it just once this week and come back to the video and let me know in the comments how it went. Don't forget to subscribe for more real talk on parenting. Make a little room for the beautiful mess and keep parenting with all your heart. See you in the next video.